In this exercise, I will show you how to configure layer 3 Ether channel. This means that the Ether channel link will have IP addresses on both sides of the link, and that packets will be routed over that link. The reason to have it as a separate exercise from the layer 2 Ether channel is because it's a bit different from layer 2 Ether channel. In layer 2 Ether channel, you will use the same commands in the range of physical interfaces and in the port channel interface. Here it's a bit more tricky and the order of commands is actually important, so I advise you to type in the commands in the same order as me. Also, I provided all the necessary commands in this exercise guide, so you can use it as a reminder. Okay, let's get going. I already configured IPs on the PCs and their gateways on MLSs, so the only thing remaining to configure is the Ether channel itself. First, we're going to select the range of interfaces, and I used Gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2 here, so that's what we'll use. Interface range Gigabit Ethernet 0/1-2. Next, we want to say no switch port first, and only then are we going to say channel group 1 mode desirable. Now, you won't be able to use the tab key to complete this command all the way until you say this. So until you type in this part, you won't be able to use the tab key. So just so you know that everything is okay, you just need to type this out manually. We can see that the port channel number 1 has been created. So I'm going to exit this range of interfaces and open port channel 1. Now, here I don't need to say no switch port. All I need to do here is to type in the IP address I want to use on this new virtual interface, and I'm going to use 20.0.0.1 here, 255, 255, 252, and that's it. We can move on to MLS2 here. We will pretty much use the same commands. The only difference is going to be the IP address. So I'm going to say interface range Gigabit Ethernet 0/1-2, no switch port, channel, let's try it, it doesn't work, G, and now the tab key works. So I'm going to say 1 mode desirable, and that's all we want to do here. Interface port channel 1, IP address 20.0.0.2, 255, 255, 255, 252. Exit. And we can now test if there is any communication between these two MLSs. Okay, that's successful. I want to also test if there is any communication between the PCs and their gateway. That's also successful. But if we were to try to ping from PC1 to PC2, that's going to fail because we need some routing in order for that to happen, because this network right here, 10.2.0.0, is a remote network to 10.1.0.0. So let's configure EIGRP, shall we? Now, in order for routing to work on a multi-layer switch, we need to say IP routing first, and then router EIGRP, let's use 100, no auto summary, network 10.1.0.0.0.0.255, and net 20.0.0.0.0.0.3. That's it for MLS 1. Moving on to MLS 2. Again, we want to say IP routing, router EIGRP 100, no auto summary, and then advertise 10 to 000000255, and then 20.000.0003. And now what we tested a moment ago should be successful. That's it for this exercise.